Batu bom masalah tu, kamu cuba bom masalah.
Sangat ngamen na turun ke kamera lagi.
Welcome to the Lekutu Women's Friendly Space.
Amen. Boleh.
John dari Algeria.
Kalau setelah kamu sudah background.
Teachers quarters.
That's why they call school in a box.
School in a box.
Yes.
This is your lab. Science lab, physics, chemistry.
Combine biochemistry.
Tambah Maris, naik. Ulbos Maris. Prime Minister. And on departure, the Prime Minister, Scott Morrison, was sending the photo back to me, thanking our visit to the ADF soldiers. But we cannot thank them enough for the assistance they've rendered to the people of Fiji in this time. But also I want to thank the RFMF engineers for coming to the assistance of the schools in helping rebuild. But I've heard through our visits in the schools that we've been to that a lot of the people surrounding the schools have come to the assistance of school management in clearing up the school, the debris, and helping at least put things back to normalcy. So hopefully that will continue over the next few weeks, but especially this week before school starts on the 19th. You will note that the engineers and the ADF are trying to put things back together before school starts on the 19th. But on that note, we still have to sit down. You see a lot of tents being put up for classroom and for teachers' quarters. But we still need to build a strong classroom and strong teachers' quarters. Public building there. We'll be looking at that over the next couple of weeks. There was that group in Lekutu run by the medical. That was an impressive team of women-friendly spaces. I was very impressed with the preparation they're doing. They're preparing for women to come to their tent come 19th of January, because that's when they're going to start. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.